Hello friends, welcome back to channel Civil Engineering Academy. Have you ever wondered what makes a building? The parts that you see and the parts hidden beneath the ground? From the strong foundations beneath your feet to the roof above your head, every component of the building serves a specific and essential purpose. In today's video, we are going deep into the world of construction to understand the components of building. From foundation and planes to wall, columns, floors, doors, windows, stairs, and even the roof. Whether you are a civil engineering student, a construction professional, or just someone curious about how buildings are made, this video is your complete guide to understand the building structure from the ground up. So let's start. Components of a building. Components of a building. A building can be broadly divided into parts, substructure and superstructure. The portion of the building below the surrounding ground is known as substructure and the portion above the ground is termed as superstructure. Components of a building. Foundations, plinth, walls, columns, floors, doors, windows and the ventilators, stairs, roof, building finishes and the building services. So let's start with the very first and the most important part of a structure, that is foundation. A foundation is the lowest part of a structure located below the ground level and it is in direct contact with the ground. Its primary function is to transfer all the loads of the soil beneath the structure. The foundation is designed in such a way that the pressure transmitted to the soil does not exceed its self-bearing capacity. This ensures the stability and the durability of the entire structure. Based on the type of soil, its bearing capacity and the nature of the structure to be built, foundations are generally classified into two types: shallow foundation and deep foundation. Shallow foundation is used when the good soil is available at shallow depth, and deep foundation is used when strong soil is available at a greater depth or when the structure is carrying heavy loads. Second component part of building is plinth. The portion of the building between the ground surrounding the building and the top of the floor immediately above the ground is known as a plinth. The level of the surrounding ground is known as a formation level or simply ground level, and the level above the ground floor of the building is known as a plinth level. The plinth height should be such that after proper leveling and grading of the ground adjoining the building, there is no possibility of the rainwater entering the ground floor. The built-up covered area measured at the floor level is termed as a plinth area. Next component part is walls. Walls are provided to divide the floor space in desired pattern to provide privacy, security and give protection. In a well-planned layout, the walls divide the space in such a manner so as to achieve the maximum carpet area and minimum area for circulation. Walls can be broadly divided into two categories, that is load-bearing walls and non-load-bearing walls. A load-bearing wall supports its own weight as well as a superimposed load transferred to it through floors, roof, etc. A non-load-bearing wall, on the other hand, carries its own weight and is not designed to carry any superimposed load from the structure. They are normally provided as a partition walls. Now the next component part is column. A column may be defined as an isolated vertical load-bearing member, the width of which is neither less than its thickness nor more than 4 times its thickness. Pier is a vertical load-bearing member similar to column, except that it is bonded into the load-bearing wall at the sides to form an integral part and extends a full height to the wall. A pier is introduced to increase the stiffness of the wall, to carry additional load or to carry vertical concentrated load. Pier also strengthens the wall to resist lateral pressure without buckling. Floors. Floors are the flat supporting element of a building. The basic purpose of floor is to provide a firm and dry platform for people and other items like furniture, stores, equipment, etc. Floor is generally referred to by its location. A floor provided for accommodation below the natural ground level is termed as a basement floor, and a floor immediately above the ground is termed as a ground floor, and all other floors such as a first, second, third floor, etc. are termed as upper floors. Now the next is doors, windows, and ventilators. A door is a movable barrier installed within an opening in a wall. It serves as a primary means of access to a building, room, or passage. It is one of the most frequently operated components in any structure. Window may be defined as an opening left in a wall for a purpose of providing daylight, vision, and ventilation. Similar to door, a window has a frame and one or more shutters. The shutters are normally fitted with the glass or similar transparent material. The windows can be slide hung, top or bottom hung, lower type, and the shutters can be fully glazed, panel and glaze, or fully panel type. Now the next component part is stair. A stair may be defined as a structure consisting of number of steps connecting one floor to another one. The stair must be constructed in such a manner that it is safe and comfortable to use, and it should be so located as to permit easy communication. Stairs may be made from a material like a timber, stone, bricks, steel, reinforced concrete, etc. The selection of the type of material to be used depends upon the aesthetical importance, funds available, durability, and the fire resisting qualities desired. Now next is roof. It is the uppermost component of the building, and its main function is to cover the space below and protect it from the rain, sun, snow, wind, etc. A roof basically consists of two components, the roof decking and the roof covering. The roof decking is the structural component which supports the roof covering. A roof can be either flat, pitched, or the curved in the shape. The choice of the type of roof is made keeping in the view the location of building, weather condition, funds available, and the functional and the aesthetical requirements. Building finishes. A building is considered incomplete till such a time the surface of its component is given appropriate treatment. Building finishes include items like a plastering, pointing, white or color washing, painting, varnishing, distempering, etc. The building finishes not only protect the surface from adverse effect of weather but also provide decorative effect. Now the next is building services. Building services include service like water supply, drainage, sanitation, lighting, electricity, acoustic, heating, ventilation, air conditioning, fire detection and fire control, etc. The services like water supply, drainage, and the sanitations are normally clubbed under the term of plumbing services. From consideration of safety of the user, the planning, designing, and detailing of all services should be done based on the provision in National Building Code. Thank you so much for watching video. If you like the video, please share it and subscribe the channel.